Mur.
Tada.
Yep, Nur. Tada.
Matahari.
Matahari.
Any question? No.
Wahira.
I have a question.
Please.
I think you cannot want to by the pemerintah government to ban social media. I think you do not want to they do that. You say social media very important for us, and what you want to do, what you think about social media in the next time, maybe for maybe after you read, you have child, you have family, what do you want to do to protect your child and your family, or you not protect them because social media very always positive for